Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of long-grain rice, your choice of protein like chicken or beef, and a colorful mix of vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and carrots. Don't forget a robust tomato paste or crushed tomatoes for the base, along with your preferred spices and a touch of oil. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the foundation of our stew rice. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they are translucent and aromatic, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add your protein, perhaps 1 pound of diced chicken, and brown it on all sides. Finally, stir in about 6 ounces of tomato paste, cooking it for another 2 minutes to enhance its rich flavor. With our flavorful base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add your prepared vegetables, such as 1 cup of chopped bell peppers and 1/2 cup of carrots, to the pot. Stir in 2 cups of rinsed long-grain rice, ensuring it's well coated. Pour in about 3 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, along with your seasonings. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is perfectly tender and the liquid is absorbed. Almost there, once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat and let the pot sit, covered, for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the flavors to meld and the rice to become even fluffier. Gently fluff the stew rice with a fork to separate the grains. Serve it warm as a complete meal, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or cilantro for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your delicious homemade stew rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.